Think like a millionaire. Transform your mindset. Let's explore how to develop a millionaire mindset that can open up incredible opportunities. Now let's get started on the journey to transforming your mindset and unlocking your full potential for financial prosperity. And make those money goals a reality. Number 1. The power of mindset. In the world of wealth creation and financial success, one concept stands out above all: the power of mindset. The driving force that separates the prosperous from the stagnant, the dreamers from the achievers. Your mindset is not only a belief system, but a game changer. It's about transforming the way you think about money, challenges, and opportunities. With the right mindset, you can overcome obstacles, set and achieve ambitious goals, and embrace the abundance that life has to offer. Not about luck or circumstances, but your perspective, your determination, and belief to shape your financial future. In the path to think like a millionaire and transform your mindset, remember the power lies within you. 2. Understanding your current mindset. It's about self-awareness and recognizing the beliefs and thought patterns that might be holding you back from financial success. Take a moment to reflect on your relationship with money, your attitudes toward wealth, and your reactions to financial challenges. By gaining insight into your current mindset, you can pinpoint the areas that need adjustment. This process is essential because you can't transform your thinking without first understanding where you currently stand. So don't underestimate the power of self-awareness in your journey to developing a millionaire's mindset and unlocking your financial potential. 3. Identifying limiting beliefs. These are the subconscious notions and doubts that often sabotage your financial aspirations. It's recognizing thoughts like, "I'm not good enough," or "I'll never be wealthy." By bringing these beliefs into the light, you gain the power to challenge and overcome them. This process can be both liberating and enlightening because it frees you from the constraints that may have been holding you back. Remember, identifying your limiting beliefs is the key to dismantling them and creating a mental environment where success can flourish. You must dive deeper into this empowering journey of self-discovery and transformation. 4. Embracing abundance thinking. Shifting your perspective from scarcity and limitation to abundance and possibility. This mindset recognizes that there are opportunities everywhere, and that your potential for wealth and success is virtually unlimited. Abundance thinking allows you to see the world as a place of endless prospects and fosters a positive outlook on your financial journey. By adopting this mentality, you not only attract more opportunities but also empower yourself to navigate the challenges that come your way, ensuring you're on the right track to financial prosperity. 5. The traits of millionaire thinkers. These characteristics are the building blocks of a prosperous mindset. First, resilience and persistence are vital, as they enable you to bounce back from setbacks and stay committed to your goals. Second, having a clear vision and setting specific financial objectives is paramount. It provides a roadmap for your success. Lastly, adaptability and innovation are key components. They allow you to evolve with changing circumstances and discover new opportunities. By embracing and cultivating these traits, you're on your way to thinking like a millionaire and achieving your dreams. 6. Vision and goal setting. Developing a clear vision for your financial future is like creating a map to success. It's about knowing where you want to go and charting a course to get there. Goals are the stepping stones that lead you toward your vision. By setting specific and measurable goals, you create a roadmap to follow. This process not only keeps you focused but also empowers you to measure progress and make necessary adjustments along the way. Remember, your vision and goals are the driving force behind your millionaire mindset, helping you turn your dreams into reality. Elevate your financial knowledge with BraylenAV.com. Subscribe today and unlock the path to financial abundance. Don't wait, start your journey now. 7. The role of mindset in financial success. Your mindset is the foundation upon which your financial reality is built. It shapes your decisions, actions, and ultimately outcomes. The way you think about money, challenges, and opportunities significantly impacts your financial journey. With the right mindset, obstacles become stepping stones and setbacks become lessons. This is about cultivating a mindset that's open to possibilities, embraces resilience, and believes in the potential for wealth. 8. The psychology of wealth. Let's dive into the fascinating realm of the psychology of wealth. Understanding how our minds interact with money and prosperity can be a game changer on the path to financial success. It's recognizing the thought patterns and behaviors that either attract or repel wealth. By delving into the psychology of wealth, we gain insights into why some people thrive financially while others struggle. This knowledge empowers us to reprogram our thinking, shed limiting beliefs, and adopt the mindset of financial abundance. 9. Cultivating a positive attitude. Our mindset is like a lens through which you view the world, and a positive attitude is the filter that can make all the difference. It's maintaining an optimistic outlook, even in the face of challenges, setbacks, or uncertainties. A positive attitude not only boosts your resilience, but also attracts positivity and opportunities into your life. It's a key element in the journey to thinking like a millionaire. By embracing positivity, you'll find it easier to overcome obstacles, stay motivated, and make the most of every situation. 10. Believing in your financial potential. Your mindset is the engine that drives your financial journey, and belief in your abilities is the fuel that powers it. It's about recognizing your innate potential to achieve your dreams and overcome any obstacles that may arise. This self-belief not only empowers you to set ambitious targets, but also provides the confidence needed to pursue them with determination. Your wealth begins with the faith you have in your own capabilities. By cultivating this belief, you're taking a crucial step toward thinking like a millionaire and realizing your dreams. 11. Building confidence in your abilities. Recognizing your skills, strengths, and talents is a good starting point, but it's through consistent practice and skill building that you truly enhance your capabilities. Just like any skill or talent, financial acumen can be honed and refined over time. As you put in the effort to learn, make mistakes, and refine your approach, confidence in your abilities grow. Whether it's mastering budgeting, investing, or entrepreneurial skills, it's the dedication to practice and continual improvement that empowers you to navigate the complexities of wealth creation. Building confidence in your abilities through diligent practice is not only vital for setting and achieving financial goals, but also for weathering the storms that might come your way in the path to success. 12. Determination and perseverance. Strong qualities are the bedrock of any successful transformation. Determination is the unwavering commitment to your goals, while perseverance is the ability to stay the course, even when faced with challenges and setbacks. The road to financial success often presents hurdles and uncertainties, but it's your determination and perseverance that will see you through. They're the fuel that keeps you moving forward, even when the going gets tough. By nurturing these traits, you not only set yourself up for success but also become more resilient and resourceful in your pursuit of prosperity. 13. Continuous learning and growth. Our journey to wealth success is a dynamic process, and it's also fueled by your commitment to ongoing education and personal development. As you acquire new knowledge, develop new skills, and refine your existing ones, you not only expand your horizons but also increase your financial acumen. Embracing a mindset of continuous learning ensures that you remain adaptable and relevant in an ever-evolving money landscape. 14. Setting the stage for millionaire mindset transformation. This pivotal phase involves laying a strong foundation for the remarkable changes you're about to experience. It starts with self-awareness, where you examine your existing beliefs, attitudes, and thought patterns about money. Next, identifying and challenging limiting beliefs clears the path for new possibilities. Transitioning from scarcity to abundance thinking is a significant shift, embracing positive attitudes and building confidence in your abilities, which are the building blocks of the millionaire mindset. As we set the stage, we also emphasize the continuous pursuit of knowledge and personal growth. These are the elements that will not only shape your financial success, but also empower you to navigate the complex world of wealth creation. The key to achieving financial success is all in your mindset. By shifting your thinking and embracing a millionaire mindset, you're opening doors to opportunities you might have never imagined. We've covered some valuable insights today, but the journey doesn't end here. Real change takes consistent effort and a commitment to personal growth. Don't be discouraged by any setbacks. They're just opportunities to learn and improve. Keep seeking knowledge and surround yourself with positive influences. Your mindset is a powerful tool that can shape your financial destiny. So stay determined, stay positive, and stay focused on your goals. With the right mindset, You can achieve anything you set your sights on.